Hey guys, today I want to talk about the third internet revolution. Let's call it Web 3.0, and what does it mean for your marketing and branding, and how to use it for your brand, how to create a better brand and better marketing using the digital first world. So, for those of you who didn't know, we live in a digital first world. And I can't stress it enough and still see so many people don't fucking get it. I mean, didn't you see during COVID at home connecting through digital, through online Zoom meetings? All sales you've seen were pretty much online, that's digital. The fact that crypto is here, NFTs, blockchain. So, what's going on right now is a change of paradigm. You guys need to understand that the fact that you have a website doesn't mean shit. This is a new world. Being on digital and utilize digital says something about your brand. And of course, you have to utilize online and digital in order to grow your brand, grow your business, get better ROI, sell more. You have to double down on content, and you have to double down on video content, because this is the best way for you as a business, even if your business is boring, to show that you are different, to really communicate and create a community. Another thing that is really important in digital first world is automation. Use automation for acquisition and retention, and use it in a smart way. What usually happens is that people say, oh no, we have a website, we're good, we don't need. So what if you have a website? First of all, is your website ready to sell? Is your website optimized to have the most sales and create the most orders? You have to connect many elements to your website, and many of them are automated. Automated chat with automated questions and answers, because you know what questions your prospects have, so you can create an if then chatbot. If this is the question, this is the answer. Cart abandonment email sequences are automated. They can create between 25 to 40% of your online sales. Browse abandonment, the exact same thing. If you're doing it correctly, it will bring people back to your website, and it will grow your brand awareness, retention, and acquisition. One of the biggest, bestest thing that you can have in a digital first world is to connect to your people, connect to your community, connect to your customer base. And you can do it in so many ways, from emails to chat to Facebook to reply to their comments, like their comments on whatever social media you guys use. You need to invest in digital. Okay, I come from an old school. I started doing marketing before there was fast internet. I mean, I remember the days that we started talking about online shopping, and that people will not buy online because they can't touch it. Okay, that was like more than 20 years ago. Things have changed. We are going to be a full on digital society with time. Just get to understand that. Think about the near future. Everything is going to be digital. Everything that we will do will be virtual or online. It doesn't matter if you understand that or not, if you know how a token works or not, if you invest in crypto or not. Don't think about yourself. think about your business, think about your customers. If you sell to young people, you have to be digital, and you need to invest in that. The good thing about digital is that not everything is about big investments. When we talk about value per money and cost-effective marketing initiatives, that's where digital is amazing. SEO, search engine optimization, is the most inexpensive and most important marketing thing you can do on your website. Do you know how many people, clients, prospects, people who contact me or whatever, don't do SEO? Oh, well, we know we need to do SEO, but we still didn't. Why? Let's say this: $1,000 in Facebook ads and $1,000 on monthly SEO. $1,000 a month on Facebook ads will bring you nothing. It will not produce enough data for you to understand how you're going to maximize next month's $1,000 on Facebook ads. At the same time, you're investing $1,000 on SEO. Pretty much immediately, you'll start seeing better traffic and more traffic to your website. With time, you will see more traffic and more sales coming directly from SEO, directly from the $1,000 that you put there every month. One of my clients, after about less than 6 months, 102% ROI just from direct sales from SEO, just from SEO. I'm not talking about anything else. At the same time, this client has spent thousands of dollars on Facebook ads, and I think they sold just a few products. And I see it happening all the time, because when it comes to advertising, this is where big bucks counts. It takes a lot of time to start and a lot of money to start getting good ROI from advertisement. It has been this way from the first time someone put an ad on a newspaper, and this happened about more than 100 years ago. If you had the money, you had better return on investment on your advertising. This is a rule in advertising. But SEO, content marketing, automated emails, all of those things will always cost less. For small business, being cost effective is super important. So embrace the digital. Don't be afraid of the digital and use it.